Transforming user objects in TimeZero Professional. Today, we are going to talk about a feature unique to TimeZero Professional. It's not new, but it remains unknown, but yet it can be very useful. This is the User Object Transformation tool. To use this tool, click on the User Objects icon in the ribbon and select Transform from the drop-down menu. The transformation window that appears is made up of two parts, the Condition part and the Transform part. From the upper part of the window, you're going to define the different characteristics of the objects that you want to transform. First, we'll choose the type of object from the drop-down menu, marks, areas, tracks, etc. Or we can choose to transform all objects regardless of their type. In this case, you would choose the All option. In the second step, we'll choose the characteristics depending on the type of object chosen. The suggested conditions are automatically adapted to the kind of object. For example, if I choose marks, I'll be able to choose its icon, its color, the layer it's on, or even the date range it was created. However, if I select track, you can see I can no longer have the choice to change the icon. On the other hand, if I choose the area, the window offers me a choice of the line pattern. Once the starting conditions have been selected, the kind of transformation will be determined in the lower part of the window. Again, the options are different depending on the type of object selected. To understand this better, let's take a look at a few examples. For example, if you want to change the color of all of your fish marks from green to blue, from the transformation window, select the mark type, and click on the icon box and select the fish icon from the drop-down menu. Then check the color box and select the color green. Uncheck the layer and date checkboxes to include all marks regardless of layer or date of creation. In the transform part, check only the color blue. Since it's the only thing we want to modify, and then we're going to select OK to transform. We can see that the color change is applied to all the green fish marks, which have now been changed to blue. If you made a mistake or you want to modify your transformation, you can always cancel the operation from the button, then redo the transformation. In our second example, if you want to move all of your Recs to a dedicated layer. From the transformation window, we will again select the marks type and then select the rec icon. We will uncheck the other options to deactivate their conditions. For the transform part, as we don't want to modify the characteristics of the object, you uncheck the options except for layer. There, you can choose either an existing layer or even create a new layer. In this option, we are going to check Recs, and now transform all the objects to a new layer. You can now easily show or hide all of your Recs by checking or unchecking the visible box of the Recs layer. In our last example, let's say you want to change the color and move all of your old tracks to a new layer. From the transformation window, we are going to select Tracks. Uncheck the boxes to include the color and the layer, and then check the date box. And we're going to select start and end dates that match your old tracks. In the transform part, check the color box, and here we're going to change them to orange. Then check the layer box and create or choose the destination layer from the drop-down menu. Here, we'll select old tracks. Once we hit OK, all of our old tracks are now quickly visible on the chart and can be hidden or displayed by checking or unchecking the visible box on the corresponding layer. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this Short video useful.